This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Kraken Rod and Fish full guide. Start by inspecting guides and reel seat for damage, then spool the correct line weight and knot. Rig your lure or bait so it sits balanced on the rod tip. Practice a few short casts to dial in distance and accuracy while watching line lay. Adjust drag and stance for comfort and control before heading out to fish. Begin by selecting the right terminal tackle and matching knots to line type, then trim tag ends cleanly. Thread the line through the lure or hook eye, moisten the knot, and snug it down slowly to seat correctly. Check for abrasion and retie if the knot slips or frays. Keep spare leaders and pre-tied rigs in a box to swap quickly when conditions change on the water. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and tips. On another note, quick recommendation. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleanup effortless after a long day fishing. It helps keep tackle areas tidy and frees time for prep and practice. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on smooth, deliberate casts to protect line and increase accuracy, then let the lure settle before starting retrieval. Mix short jerks, steady reels, and pauses to imitate natural prey movements and trigger strikes. Watch your line for subtle twitches that indicate a bite, and set the hook with a firm, controlled sweep of the rod. Adjust retrieve depth and speed based on species and water conditions as you fish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.